How to add a Shopee link to a Facebook story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a Shopee link to a Facebook story. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Now, tap on Create Story. Take a picture for the story, or you can choose from the gallery. After that, tap on Text. Now paste the link here. You can adjust the placement of the link as well. Finally, tap on Share to post it on your Facebook story. If you are a business or influencer, you can also explore Facebook's advertising tools, which may offer additional options for sharing clickable links in stories. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.